Thank you. So, yeah, it's true that is actually I came later, and I'm really sorry why I was late. First, I must explain why I was late. Sanjay asked me that, asked Madam if she manages to come by 3 o'clock. Okay, all the delegates will be there if she manages to come. But I was late because of him only. Ask me why. Because of I was doing an ectopic emergency ectopic surgery at my newly built 100 beds, near about capacity of 100 beds hospital, that is Raindrops Hospital. We have started our journey 2 months back. This hospital is completely equipped with modularity and plus 100 air purifier systems of ICU, HDO, and the full-fledged all the facilities with dialysis and everything. And the whole plan, including which department will be there, how many beds will be put at what end, and everything has been done by their company, SI Surgical. I think we should think about it. Here we are addressing a gathering who is not only pan-India, but also international group. That's great. But I am little bit always skeptical about being Bengali, kind of Bill Mukherjee and all these things. Few people have these sentiments. Sanjay is Mukherjee, I am also Mukherjee. So I always used to think, people says, Bengalis can't do business. Bengalis can't have that type of leadership, what generally we get from the Gujarati peoples. Sometimes also from southern people. I don't know where Dr. Thomas is. Dr. Thomas is here or already gone? I think he's there? Okay. Okay, sir. We belong to the same fraternity. Means you are also IVF specialist. I am also. I have seen you number of times, and kind of you were kind of our guru or like that. You have seen Dr. Thomas. He is doing like this way at Chennai. We must also do in Kolkata. Why not? Why can't we do? So like that, we have our journey started in the year of 2016. 2015, we have started our IVF center at Belur. Belur is actually in Howrah. It's a district, not proper Kolkata. So our center was the first IVF center of Howrah. And we started ICSI also first there. And definitely women entrepreneurship, that is also a point. And from that time, he was SI Surgical was continuously supplying me all the OT instruments and everything. Why? Because I was always thinking that I am starting, I don't belong to a big family like we have sources of financial support. I have to take loan. So I must search for somebody who will give me good instruments, but in a lesser budget. वही हम लोग इंडिया में आ गए कि कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होना चाहिए कि एवरीथिंग मस्ट बी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव वी आर स्पेंडिंग मनी यू विल बी सीइंग पेशेंट स्पेशली जब आते हैं ना वो एक बात मुझे तो हमेशा जब नॉन बेंगोली पेशेंट्स आते हैं दे यूज्ड टू हैव डॉक्टर या बोल रहे हो सब ठीक है लेकिन डज इट मतलब ये चलेगा मतलब अब इतने प्राइस में ये दे रहे हो इज इट like that? Always in IVF, people used to ask these questions that I am spending, okay, 80,000 rupees, 90,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. What is the success rate? And most of you may be knowing or may not be knowing, Dr. Thomas has a trademark that I'm guaranteeing you to give her baby by IVF. Sir, I'm right. Okay, I'm right. So there was always a competition. So you guys in Kolkata, you can't do anything. People are doing everything in Chennai. People from Calcutta rush to Chennai for all sorts of treatments. For everything. For a baby also, even they have a diarrhea, they will think, no, let's go to Chennai and have the treatment. So I was kind of an opinion, well, let's break it. And being, okay, that was Vellore. And this is Belur. So let's have a namesake. I am at Bali and Belur. Okay. So let's start our project over there. And we started at 2016. From there, we were successfully doing our IVF. It's not that I have delivered 100%, but we have maintained a good success rate. Instrument, most of the time, I bought from them. After that, we have started with our small maternity and an ICU unit. There also, most of the instruments were supplied by them, the warmers of incubator and the ventilators. After that, our new hospital came, that is Raindrops Hospital, just 2 months back, we have started. So I was doing that, I called Paritosh. Actually, most of our works is handled by Paritosh. I called Paritosh, that Paritosh, I'm really sorry, by 1:30 I have to start emergency ectopic surgery. Once I finish, I will rush. Okay, I started the surgery by 1:45. I finishes by 2:15 to 2:20, and then I see another 5 or 6 patients, took my car and came here. So this, our OT is a completely modular OT developed by them only. Our full lab system, the hardware, software, everything is bought from them. And it is really working fabulously. Initially, when I was also working with the previous unit, Sanjay, that previous unit is given by you now. But used to have one problem, that was when I was using the diathermino, I used to have haziness in the screen. But for this new system, what we bought maybe 3 or 4 months back, in the January we bought, we don't have that type of problem. The vision is very clear. We are going to see it properly, and the surgery time limit for span of our surgery is gradually getting reduced. So for all of this, I will say that being again, this Bengali things come to me, that being a Bengali entrepreneur, especially in this type of field, I always say salute to the SI surgical team. Not only Sanjay, Aman is here, Paritosh used to handle all my works. It's a teamwork. We all understand. Whenever you are going to do a big unit, big business, it's a teamwork. Without a team, it's very difficult to handle everything. So thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to address such an august gathering and share my views, my experiences with you all. Before I end, I would like to note few things, funny things, as Sir was telling, na, ki politicians are now telling ki 4 babies per family. I'm saying that then every family need to go to the IVF. Na? First thought, I was just thinking, what will be the condition of the mother? What will be the condition of the lady? Think about the wife. You guys are here, you see only 10 to 20% is female population. Including me, there are 4 ladies or 5 ladies. Ma'am, please raise your hands. So maybe we are only 20% at 10%, only 10% in this. So 10% people are thinking, Are baapre, 4 babies. Then we both are husband and wife working. Again 4 babies. For 4 babies, go to the school, help them to study. Every 4 will be big youth. 1 doctor, 1 engineer, another is an entrepreneur, another is definitely must be another one, either judge or an advocate. So everything in my family, then I will think about, let's have another one who will be the politician. As Sir was giving us some enlightenment. So what will the politicians? So many babies, then when we'll go do the practice and when we'll do our professional work? Then I thought, oh, Sir is actually thinking something in his back of mind. First IVF, twin or triplet. Take her 3 to 4 years back, another IVF, another 2 babies. So family is complete, no? So win-win situations for all of us. For country, for economic conditions, for IVF specialist, for the family and everyone. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.